How to get verified on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. To obtain the verified badge on Roblox in 2025, you must meet the specific criteria related to your role on the platform. So the badge signifies that an account is both notable and authentic and helping users identify genuine creators, developers, and brands. So Roblox awards the verified badge based on the following categories, that is brands and public figures, which possess 100,000 plus followers on a major social media platform, example Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, or 100,000 plus monthly listeners on Spotify. Alternatively, you can be a member of the Roblox Video Stars program as well. And you can experience developers, own an experience with over 1 million hours of playtime in the past 90 days. And you can also generate 2 million plus Robux in the revenue and sell at least 200,000 items in the last 90 days. Additional requirements is that regardless of category, all accounts must complete ID verification through Roblox verification process, enable two-step verification using an authenticator app, maintain an active account having logged in within the last 180 days, and these measures ensure the authenticity and security of verified accounts. If there is no direct application for the verified badge, Roblox automatically reviews accounts that meet the eligibility criteria and grants badges accordingly. So this process occurs monthly. So if you meet the requirements, you can expect the badge to appear within the time frame. So if you represent a brand or a figure, or a public figure, you might or may initiate the verification process by contacting your Roblox partnership representative. So please avoid changing your username or display name and keep two-step verification enabled and also adhere to the Roblox community standards and term of use. And if your badge was removed due to non-violative reasons, example changing your username, you can request a reinstatement by ensuring all verification and security settings are correctly configured and contacting the Roblox customer support with the details about the badge removal. So Roblox will review your request and restore the badge if appropriate. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.